Hey you guys, today I'm making a new cake recipe and it is absolutely delicious. This is my pina colada cake. We start with my creamy coconut cake layers and then add some rum extract to the cake layers to enhance that pina colada taste. Then for the filling, I have my creamy coconut buttercream frosting, and then we have some fresh pineapple slices. Something else that I use to give even more of a pina colada taste is this yummy coconut cream in the squeeze bottle. I drizzle it over the cake layers as well as over that pineapple before I place the other cake layer. After I was done filling the cake layers, I then got my coconut frosting and crumb coated the entire surface. I'm using my cake scraper to smooth it out, my small offset spatula to remove any of that excess frosting around the top, and then I'm placing some bubble straws in the center of the cake. That way we can give extra support for the tall cake. I then put my cake in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow that frosting to set up. Now it's time for the final coat. For the final coat, I'm using my same coconut buttercream, but I also added some Chef Master red, and tulip red to create this really vibrant red. For this design, I want to create a pinstripe. And so I thought that the best way to do this would be to use my striped cake comb and apply the white pinstripes in the place that I wanted, and then fill in the rest with that red color. Just like my striped buttercream cakes, it does get really messy and it looks worse before it gets better. And so I just had to continue to scrape this cake down. I would wash off the spatula, make sure I get rid of that excess frosting, and you can see the more I scrape, the more defined these stripes are. I then cleaned up the edges, then cleaned up the cake board, and this is the final result. I absolutely love how the pinstripes turned out. Very simple, clean, and sharp.